This will be a video chart on GOIG, GOIP Global Incorporated. This one needs to be updated again. Just been a beast, going parabolic right now. I actually got this wrong. I can't remember if I did a video on it or not, but I saw this candle and I think it was just a normal chart. And I thought for sure that we'd see somewhat of a pullback. We did get a pullback, so I was right in this sense. As you know, at one point in the day, this was a big solid red candle, but by the end of the day, had bounced up, showed its strength. But that was it. I had thought, we'd probably come down and maybe give this area a test down here, but that just wasn't the case. So I don't have any problem admitting I was wrong here. But as you can see, the thing just keeps on going up, and today was even bigger. Looking at volume, not quite as big as these days, but the one thing to remember, and I know a lot of people always overlook this, is we got to factor in what's the price. What are the shares trading at? Obviously you can do a zillion shares down here at 0001, but a half a zillion up here would be the same exact dollar volume. So remember, we need to speak in terms of dollar volume and not shares traded, because obviously if this stock was at $5, it wouldn't have done this many shares, but it wouldn't take as many to create the same amount of dollar volume. So always remember that. Lots of people always overlook that and think it's just all about how many shares trade. It is about that, but at the same time, you got to remember, sure, we didn't have as big as volume day as here, but look at the share price during this trading action, and now you look at that volume compared with the price on this day, and you can see. So spent probably a little bit too much time on that, but just remember that it's all about dollar volume. So what I want to do is just get things updated here. We're gonna have to go on another little Easter egg hunt and find out some more of these resistance levels. First update that I'm gonna do, besides just leaving this triangle here, because looking back and remembering the memories of just doing this when we were looking for confirmation. Well, as you can see, we got that confirmation and then some. So this really doesn't hold any importance anymore, and we'll just get rid of this triangle down here. But really, I'm going to get rid of that one too, and I'm going to move up our must hold level. If you remember, previously it was the 200 day, but with this huge move now, our new must hold level is going to be right up here at a high of this candle here, which is at 0.0054. Obviously from where it closed, that'd be a real long drop, but that's why this is the new must hold level. If there's any closes or anything below that, that's kind of something that's not quite right with the chart anymore. But that's just where it is right now. The other thing that needs to be updated is simply this resistance here. Since it's been shattered, it now becomes a support. So this level right here at 0.007, the James Bond level, is now destroyed. So poor Mr. Bond, we've converted him from the dark side to the good guys now. So James Bond is now on our side as a area of support. So 007 is the near term support if there's a pullback. The one thing with moving as fast as this one does, it does create some kind of big gaps in the support level. So that's why if James Bond falls, then really there's nothing until down here. But that's just one of the trade-offs with stocks that pretty much go straight up like this. So now time for the Easter egg hunt. Let's see if we can figure out where this next area of resistance is going to be. And I think I see something here what I want to use. I'm going to use the high of this candle right here. And okay, you can actually see that this is what ended up knocking it down, but where I'm getting this from is simply, if you look here, acted as resistance a couple spots, and then when it was broken, nice move up, came back down, acted as support a little bit. However, when it failed on this day, you can see it came back up, tried to get through it, could not there, got rejected, and now we are back here once again trying to get through it. This level is valued at 0.0094, so this is our current area of resistance. Being that we closed so close to it, I'll just go ahead and map out the next one, and really after this, things thin out, or I should say continue to thin out, and the next area is not until right around right here, which is at 0.0115, so up into the penny area. So these are going to be the next two areas of resistance. Right now we have this one at what did I say that was, 0.0094. Then we have this one up here at 0.0115. And then if it gets up above that, we'll just have to come back here and do another Easter egg hunt. But that's currently where the resistance levels stand. So, congratulations. Great to see volume remain strong. Increasing volume would be nice, but at the same time, it's getting more and more expensive of a stock, so it's not going to require as many shares traded to produce the same amounts of dollar volume. But nonetheless, nice liquidity, giving everybody the ability to get in and out as they want, and that's really the key for down here with these penny stocks. So that is currently where the chart is. Hopefully James Bond, if it does get tested, will hold up fine for us, but if not, we still do have this support down here, and even the 200-day we're well above now. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really good reviews, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was GOIG. Thanks for listening.